som ska till metsätehti.
8 of August 2021. We have Mannilantie 55 6. Let's see. Let's get was Mannilantie, Finland. It's built in November 2002, finished in 2003. Capacity is 8 per show, 630 grams. There's also a compost button. It will be inspected in the next year, 2022, when it's turning 20 years old. Let's try it. Strange.
Yeah.
Floor plus a rope.
Yeah.
It's really strange. You cannot see the serial number. It's it's here. It's EXFI exported to Finland 50239. Is it PH? 3131 PH. Yeah. Somebody call it, or is it just a sensor? Maybe it's a sensor.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the doors won't close. It's not in use now. Thought somebody was calling it, that's why.
Yeah.
But it was the sensor.
Yeah.
Made us think that somebody was calling it.
Yeah.
This is a rare.
Yeah.
Such a weird sound, like somebody would be calling it like a child.
Yeah.
But it's not that.
Yeah.
It's just a sensor.
Oh, yeah.
It is really weird though.
Yeah. Expected bike. Why is that maintained by specialist?
Yeah, the maintenance is bad.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't expect to find this in Järvenpää also.
Yes, same here.
Yeah. Is it like that? It's not November 2002, but what was the first number?
Um, uh, one, I think.
First number.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was still a few days before my birthday.
Yeah.
But this building was finished in 2003.
Yeah.
There's a nearby one that was finished in 2004. But that one doesn't have a code, but it's not as important as it's 1 year younger than this.
Yeah.
This was more important.
That's